we're back here at the property. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. But we've got inside, all we've got today is 3 combo smoke detectors in the hallways by the bedrooms, and then 1 smoke detector for the master bedroom. So I'm gonna head in. We are going to start putting in the smoke detectors. Here's how to replace your smoke detector. We have got a Kitty Pro Series 120 volt carbon monoxide smoke detector combination with battery backup. It is the new code in Alberta that everything has to be battery backup, even if you're not in a place that is prone to power failure. It's still something better just to have a battery backup on your smoke detector, something to alert you to get out of the house. So installing these are pretty simple. We are replacing a Fire-X with a Kitty. Never tried to interconnect 2 different brands. I recommend staying with 1 brand, and the reason why that I have no problem is I'm swapping out all of the smoke detectors in here, all with Kitties. These are all expired. These all are expired. They are very due for an update. The house was built in 2005, and smoke detectors are supposed to be replaced every 10 years. So at 2023, we're already pushing 18. So we'll get these installed, give them a little bit more peace of mind. So all you do, open up the box, take out your smoke detector. You got your smoke detector, your pigtail. Changing brands, it's a different pigtail. If you're worried about your wiring, if you stay in the same brand, the pigtail will be the same. You've got your mounting plate, and then you've got your smoke detector itself. You just take the cover off, pull the battery backup tab. So the biggest thing is, do not pry a smoke detector off the ceiling. Almost all of them rotate, so you just take it and just rotate it, and it comes down. And then you have a quick disconnect there. Sometimes it comes off, sometimes it doesn't. But as you can see, these are Fire-X with the old ULC rating on it. Manufactured in August 17th, 2005. Typically they just have a sticker on the outside that tells you when they need to be replaced. But it does not look like this one tells you a date. All the new ones will tell you a date on when they need to be replaced. Can't get the clips are too stubborn. It should just be a squeeze and pull. If you're wondering if your new pigtail is going to work, you can always just try it on your new pigtail on your old smoke detector. If it doesn't go in, then you got to swap it. And I just take down the bracket, the old bracket, loosen off 2 screws. It too just rotates here, here, comes out like so. And then you just pull down your wires. And just undo your splices, undo your wire nuts to undo your splice. Like so. And then it's just a matter of doing the reverse. You hook your just do your white to white, black to black, red to red. Push your wires back in your box. Take your mounting plate and you just put it back. Put the new mounting plate on. Then snug up your screws. Don't over tighten them, just snug so that they don't come out of the little indent, so that it doesn't move. And then it's just a matter of plugging in your new smoke detector. Push your wires back up and twist it clockwise, and it's done. And that's the end result. But if you look here, what I like about the kitties is you can see right there, replace in 2031. So you're getting a 8-year replacement time. And their battery backup, if they start beeping, you just replace your 2 batteries and an easy door on the front. You don't have to take it down. Nice and simple. and that's the end result. So you got your battery quick connect, and yeah, just kind of goes up to the ceiling. Nice white, don't really see it. So that's the last smoke detector I got to do. The other one I had to do upstairs, I went to film it, but it is a dummy one. So they put the original electrician put the light box in the wrong location. Rather than buying just a blank, they probably had an extra smoke detector in the van, so they just put a smoke detector on it, didn't hook it up to anything, it's just a dummy, instead of a blank plate, and then fished a new wire across to the new light location. So no point swapping it out, no point having them pay for a new smoke detector if it isn't even going to work. So yeah, that's the end of the smoke detector install.